Hello everyone. In this video I am going to present a topic called as equipment selection in the pharma industry and how to take the personal hygiene and regarding the organization. Equipment selection in the pharma industry. So the selection of equipment in the pharma industry is depend on various factors like performance and quality. The equipment which is selected should be of good performance, and the selection criteria is mainly depend on the type of the product which is supposed to be produced, or you can say the product requirement. And the quality plays a very important role, especially in the pharmaceutical manufacturing. And the selected equipment should meet all the regulatory standards, otherwise it will create a problem in the regulatory compliance. Means the equipment which is selected should meet the regulatory standards and guidelines according to the good manufacturing practice. Material compatibility. The materials which are used in the equipment, they should be compatible with the pharmaceutical products which are planned to be processed or being to be processed. Otherwise, it will affect the physicochemical factors or physicochemical properties of the formulation. That is why it should be compatible with the material. Ease of cleaning and maintenance. The equipment which is selected for the manufacturing purpose should be easy to clean and maintain in order to prevent the contamination and to ensure the consistent performance and to maintain the purity of the formulation. Validation and documentation. There should be proper and systematic documentation for the selected equipment. It includes qualification protocols, user manuals, and maintenance records and SOPs. So, what are the related documents should be there that are to be maintained in a systematic manner in the validation and documentation. Scalability. The selected equipment should facilitate or support the further upgradation. Means the equipment which is selected should support any further assembly of desired or required parts in it. It is required because when there is a rise in the production demand. Energy efficiency. Selection of energy efficient equipment to reduce the operational cost. The point which is to be noted here, the pharmaceutical process may have specific requirements. So it is essential to select the equipment according to the need. Agitators. They are used to mix the liquid, promote the chemical reactions and enhance the heat or cooling transfers. Blowers. Employed in solvent recovery and other evaporation process. Boilers. Generate steam by applying heat energy to water. Capsule equipment. These machineries or equipments are used to filling, polishing and sorting of the capsules. Tablet manufacturing equipment. Example, blister packing machines used for packing the tablets. Blenders used to blend the ingredients uniformly. Compression machines used to form tablets from the granules. Coating machines apply coatings to the tablet. Strip machines create strips of the tablets. Liquid manufacturing equipment. Basket filters used for liquid filtration. Homogenizers used for uniform mixing. Labeling machines apply labels to the liquid containers. Vibro sifters separate the particles based on the size. Manufacturing vessels used for liquid preparation. Fluid bed dryers which are used to dry the granules, and these granules will be compressed in the form of tablets. Autoclave which is used to sterilize the equipment and materials. Refrigerators which are used to store the temperature sensitive items. Heating mantles provide controlled heating. pH meters which are used to measure the acidity as well as the alkalinity. Then UV lamps which are used for surface sterilization. Filling equipments. Capsule filling machines fill the capsules with powdered or granulated material. Liquid filling machines fill the liquid products into the containers. Process understanding clearly defines your process, including dosage form, microorganisms or cell lines for biotech process steps and the batch size. Then next one is the reputation of the supplier. Choose the reputable equipment supplier to ensure the quality and reliability. Output capacity. Consider the required production capacity, ensure the equipment can handle your desired output. Then digital capabilities. Evaluate if the equipment offers digital features for monitoring and control. Ease of disconnection, that is easy disassembly and cleaning are essential for maintenance and changeovers, because in case of product changeover it is very necessary step to clean the equipment thoroughly in order to run the next product. Then production scale. Opt or select for equipment that aligns with your current and future production needs. Product impact. Understand how your product characteristics, example animal cells versus bacterial cells, influence your equipment choice. Consistent maintenance. Establish a regular maintenance schedule to prevent the unexpected breakdowns, inspections, cleaning, lubrication, and parts of replacement which are essential. Then calibration. Regularly calibrate the equipment to ensure accurate readings, follow manufacturer guidelines and regulatory requirements. Proper training and personnel. Proper training for personnel. Comprehensive training programs. Thoroughly train all the staff who interact with the equipment, cover operation, cleaning, troubleshooting, and emergency procedures. Continuous education. Keep the staff updated with refresher courses and training on new equipment and procedures. Then finally, implementing the SOPs, that is standard operating procedures. Develop SOPs. Create a detailed SOPs for each piece of equipment. Include step-by-step instructions for operation, cleaning, maintenance, and emergencies. Regular review and updates. Keep SOPs current to reflect the changes in the equipment, process, or regulations. Then, environmental control. Clean the room standards, maintain the stringent environment controls like temperature, humidity, air quality for equipment operating in a clean rooms. Here we are going to focus on these following contents: the pillars of pharmaceutical governance, Department of Pharmaceuticals, National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority, industry associations, then personal hygiene and personal care, regulatory framework ensuring safety and efficacy. India's regulatory framework for pharmaceuticals is designed to ensure that all the drugs are safe, effective, and high quality before they reach to the market. The Central Drug Standard Control Organization, which is called as CDSCO, is an apex body regulating apex regulatory body responsible for drug approval and monitoring. Through rigorous testing and evaluation process, the CDSCO build a confidence in consumers, safeguarding the public health. India's pharmaceutical sector is governed by the government bodies with their own rules and regulations. Government bodies like Department of Pharmaceuticals play a important role or crucial role in observing the industry's development and ensuring the innovation, that is new inventions, should match or align with the public health needs. Their policies should be environmental friendly, that is it should not harm any environmental resources, and are supportive to both the domestic as well as the international investment, directly impacting the country's economic health. Department of Pharmaceuticals. The Department of Pharmaceuticals in India is responsible for formulating and implementing policies that regulate the growth of the pharmaceutical sector. With a focus on research and development, the department encourages new invention of the pharmaceutical products. Collaboration with the academic institutions and industry people, advancing the pharmaceutical sciences and addressing health challenges. The department strategies aim to enhance the manufacturing capabilities and to improve the quality of the medicines produced in the India. Through these efforts, the department not only supports the economy but also enhances the quality of healthcare available to the population. National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority. The National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority plays a vital role in regulating the drug prices across the India, ensuring that the essential medicines remain affordable to all sector people. By monitoring and control price, the NPPA helps to maintain a balance between the industry sustainability and the public health needs. The authority actively engages with pharmaceutical companies to negotiate fair pricing, promoting transparency with a drug pricing framework. NPPA ongoing efforts contribute in each quality medicine with affordable price, particularly for low income population. Industry associations. Industry associations such as Indian Pharmaceutical Association play a crucial role or a very important role in collaboration of various pharmaceutical professionals across the country. These associations will build a strong relationship between the stakeholders, including the manufacturers of the company and the marketers of the pharmaceutical products and healthcare providers. By organizing various events, workshops, and trainings, they will enhance the knowledge of pharmaceutical products. That is, they will enhance the professional knowledge among the people who are working in that sector. Personal care and maintenance in the pharma industry. It is very important to maintain the personal care in the pharma industry to avoid any cross contamination or to avoid any incorporation of the impurities in the formulation. Benefits of personal maintenance. Enhance the overall productivity and performance, increases the job satisfaction and motivation.